I see purple, I see red, I see trust yourself. एक कार्ड जो बोल रहा है कि आपको अपने ऊपर भरोसा करने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. यूनिवर्स आपको एक डायरेक्शन दे रहा है, आपको एक कभी कभार हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम मिट्टी के अंदर दब गए हैं एंड वी डोंट नो व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट, क्योंकि हम इतना ज़्यादा अंदर दब चुके हैं. ऑल अराउंड अस वी सी डार्कनेस है, हमें पता नहीं है कि ऊपर जो है हम उस पर एक्चुअल में भरोसा कर सकते हैं या नहीं. वी जस्ट लॉस्ट, वी जस्ट इन द डार्कनेस एंड समटाइम्स वी कांट रियली ट्रस्ट आवरसेल्व्स ऑल्सो. तो आपको विद द कार्ड बोला जा रहा है दैट जस्ट ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ. विद दिस एनिमल, ये एनिमल क्या करता है? ये एनिमल अंधेरे से कूद के, अंधेरे से बाहर निकल के रोशनी में आता है. इट नोज हाउ टू, वो अपने लिए एक टनल बनाता है. इट कम्स आउट ऑफ द ग्राउंड, इट कम्स आउट ऑफ द ग्राउंड एंड व्हेन इट कम्स आउट ऑफ द ग्राउंड इट सीज रेनबोज अराउंड. दिस एनिमल सीज लाइट. दिस एनिमल हैज़ द ट्रस्ट इन दिस एबिलिटी कि मैं हूँ, जितना हूँ काफ़ी हूँ अपने आप को इस प्रॉब्लम से निकालने के लिए. और वही मैसेज आपके लिए आ रहा है कि आप जो हो, जितने हो, आपको बस अपने ऊपर भरोसा करना है. that I am enough, I trust myself, and it's ready. That thought right there is enough for you to trust in your abilities, trust in yourself, and take you out of the problem that you're stuck in. We have sacred boundaries here जो बताते हैं कि कैसे हमारे लिए हमारी boundaries बहुत ज़रूरी है. Again, a tiger taking a jump. I'm again continuously getting this message of quantum jump. Many of you are going to quantum jump to a different reality, quantum jump to a different acceptance of life, and your thoughts are going to change, your patterns are going to change. आप जिस तरीके से सोचते थे, जैसे चलते थे, बहुत कुछ बदलने वाला है. बहुत कुछ लाइफ में स्टेबिलिटी दिखने वाली है और एक टाइगर जैसी पावर या टाइगर जैसी एनर्जी दिख रही है. Many of you, jungle safari, animals, lion, and just how confident channeling can be done through just believing or seeing the photos of these animals is something that you would follow into your life. कि कैसे एक animal को देखकर, for instance एक lion को देखकर in this case, आप कैसे उससे उसकी confident ability channel कर सकते हो in you. It's just reminding yourself that I am also this confident. I am also the lion in my surrounding. It's my reality जिसमें मुझे conquer करना है. In my reality, I have to jump. And with the hand here, I see people supporting you. People really looking forward to you. People really telling you that hey, तुम ये quantum, तुम उस reality के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार हो. With the hand here, I also see you blocking a lot of things that are not working out for you, which is why we have the sacred boundary कि अब बस, this is the maximum that I will take in, this is the maximum that I will tolerate, क्योंकि this is not my true self. I am actually a very it's sort of like a raw energy. जब कोई energy raw होती है वो किसी भी मोल्ड में मोल्ड हो सकती है. It can become a very beautiful being, or it can become a very aggressive being, or it can also become a very negative being. बहुत रॉ एनर्जी है ना, बहुत पावरफुल है. उसको जिस तरीके से आप इशारा दोगे कि दिस इज द वे यू सपोज टू गो, वो उसी तरह जाएगा. विद द हैंड हियर इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू रियलाइज कि बाउंड्रीज बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओनली व्हेन दीज बाउंड्रीज आर गोइंग टू कम इन टू योर लाइफ यू विल हैव द एबिलिटी, यू विल हैव द अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू स्टॉप थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट मेंट फॉर यू. Many of you could be seeing or wearing a lot of purple, and आपको पता भी नहीं होगा कि आप इतना पर्पल क्यों पहन रहे हो, या आपको पता भी नहीं होगा why all of a sudden now I am actually vibrating towards much brighter colors, because I used to wear darker colors, but अब मुझे बहुत bright colors पसंद आ रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत vibrant colors पसंद आ रहे हैं. इसका clear मतलब है that you're ready to get out of your shell, you're ready to get out of your shell, you're ready to break all of these mindsets जिसमें आपने. How did we start the reading? We start the reading with this animal जो actually ज़मीन के अंदर होता है और ये खुद अपने हाथों से वो मिट्टी हटा के टनल बना के बाहर आता है. So what is happening here is just this. It's you believing in yourself, believing in your abilities कि बस मैं बहुत शैडो के अंदर रह लिया, मैंने बहुत ऐसे दबके जी लिया. It's high time for me to actually get out of it, realize that I need boundaries. I need to trust myself. I need boundaries, and things will work out for me. We have the horse, a short journey. This could mean कि आप एक short journey पे जा रहे हो, एक short journey आपके लिए आ रही है. This short journey or this short step or this short, a little more compromise or a little more tweak that you would need to take on in your life will take you out of it. अभी compromise कैसा compromise है? This compromise is not you again lacking boundaries and doing something that puts you in this energy of shadow again. This compromise is that even for 1 second, if I need to compromise a little bit of that over giving energy, where I let go of my kindness and or just thinking that what I'm doing is kindness or सामने वाले को hurt ना हो, a little bit of that compromise will actually help you change a lot in your life. With this horse energy सब कुछ बहुत fast होगा, decisions बहुत fast होने वाले हैं, सोचने की ability बहुत fast होने वाली है, पर right decision लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है to get out of this. That's what again, just the trio life confirming the message with the mice here, discord among friends or family. अभी थोड़ा ऐसा टाइम आ सकता है, this short journey or this short period of time where you will have to prove yourself, will have to take stand for yourself, to realize कि अब मेरा टाइगर का टाइम आ गया है. It's high time for me to change my energies, and to do that, I really the short journey or the trip that you would be traveling to, which will put you in this situation, will make you much more stronger to believe in your ability and your energy. The affirmation that we have for you is, my ability to receive is measured by how much I practice good things, feelings and thoughts. My ability to receive is measured by how much I practice good feelings and thoughts. The reason why I also said things is because there's also this energy of I am not worthy. When I am not worthy, तो लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा होता है तो हम बार बार उसको डाउट करने लग जाते हैं कि am I really worthy of allowing myself to live these good things? मैं तो इतनी अच्छी हुई नहीं. There's also this imposter syndrome that we put ourselves in, which is so unnecessary. Like, why would you do that? But sometimes it's really important for us to give ourselves an understanding that sometimes we are human. We will analyze things the way our brain, or we will analyze things with our better understanding, and we can't even realize where that thing is coming from, which is why you constantly to revise that I am meant for greater things, I am meant for good things. My ability to receive is measured by how much I practice good feelings and thoughts. So just keep on repeating that I'm happy, I'm worthy of love, things always works out for me, I'm magical, and just how things manifest for me without me trying to do hard. And the right perspective makes the impossible possible, which is why it's very important for you to have the right perspective, because only then the impossible that you think in your life, that hey, me getting out of my shadow is impossible. But if this animal wasn't able to believe his abilities, he wouldn't actually see the light and how beautiful it can be. I hope the reading helped you, resonated with you. This reading will not resonate with everyone. It can resonate with 5 people, 5,000 people, or even 5 million people. But this is going to find people that are really meant to listen to this message. If you're interested to get in-depth reading, you can message me. And Radhe Radhe.